At the most important train stations, you will find someone able to speak English. But at the smaller ones, you'd better know some keywords and questions you might need. For example, devo andare a Roma, which means I have to go to Rome. In fact, devo means I have to. Andare means to go. A means to. Roma means Rome. I will say it slowly now. Please repeat after me. Devo andare a Roma. Devo andare a Roma. One more. A che ora parte il treno per Napoli? Which means, at what time does the train to Naples leave? In fact, a means at. Che means what. Ora means time, literally hour. Parte means leaves. Il means the, used for masculine singular names beginning with a consonant. Treno means train. Per means to. Napoli means Naples. I will say it slowly now, and please repeat after me. A che ora parte il treno per Napoli? A che ora parte il treno per Napoli? One sentence more. A che ora arriva il treno da Milano? Which means, at what time does the train from Milan arrive? In fact, a means at. Che means what. Ora means time, literally hour. Arriva means arrives. Il means the, used for masculine singular names starting with a consonant. Treno means train. Da means from. Milano means Milan. I will say this slowly now. Please repeat after me. A che ora arriva il treno da Milano? A che ora arriva il treno da Milano? One more sentence. A che ora è il prossimo treno per Firenze? Which means, at what time is the next train to Florence? A means at. Che means what. Ora means time. È means is. Il means the, used for masculine singular names beginning with a consonant. Prossimo means next. Treno means train. Per means to. Firenze means Florence. Now, Suppose you have difficulties finding your train. For example, ho perso la coincidenza per Torino, which means I missed the connection to Turin. Ho means I have. Perso means missed. La means the, used for feminine singular names. Coincidenza means connection. Per means to. Torino means Turin. Now I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. Ho perso la coincidenza per Torino. Again. Ho perso la coincidenza per Torino. Posso cambiare il biglietto? Which means, can I change my ticket? In fact, posso means, can I? Cambiare means, to change. Il means the, used for masculine singular names beginning with a consonant. Biglietto means ticket. I will say it slowly, please repeat after me. Posso cambiare il biglietto? Posso cambiare il biglietto? Should you be in trouble, don't hesitate to ask. I'm sure you will find someone which will be happy to help you. So, have a good trip!